I love making something out of nothing. I'm not trained, but I am brave and determined. Of course, I could hire a professional, but DIY first. Today is August 19th. I have approximately 90 days to finish the kitchen. My goal is to have the kitchen finished before Thanksgiving. So, there's a lot of work to do. A lot has been done, but a lot still needs to be done. And if you haven't seen how we got to this point, go check out the other videos in the series. But there is one thing that's hindering me from being able to move forward with that project, and I'm going to show you what that is right now, but don't judge me. That's my workshop. That's the garage. And I'll just show you. Stuff. Got sawdust everywhere. And all of these chairs, tables, furniture collections from estate sales and picking up stuff off the side of the road. All of that. This is what I have to do to try to get to the light. I have this little bitty pathway here. I have to kind of shimmy through. And then this little pathway here to get to the breaker box to turn on the light. But yeah, here's my workshop. Okay, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning, August 26th. And I'm going to attempt to get some order and function back into this garage. And honestly, opened the garage door, turned the light on, and instantly overwhelmed by all the things. So I got to figure out a system here, and I'm trying to beat the heat. We're in the middle of a heat wave. It's about 75, 76 degrees right now, but it's going to get up to, I think, 99. So I'll just see how much I can get done before it gets too hot and not put too much pressure on that. But I guess I better get started. Hey guys, I wanted to do a little bit of a check-in about the garage. I got totally gassed out yesterday. I'm making my way around to the light, so bear with me. But yesterday was so hot and humid that I got totally gassed after about 2.5 hours of work. But I did make a pretty good amount of progress. So I just wanted to do an update, show you what I did. Uh-oh, I think I walked through a spider. I wanted to do an update, show you what I did, and kind of talk through what else needs to be done. I'm not going to do any work today because I'm clean right now and I'm not trying to get dirty. But I'm also going to be going to a game night with some of my friends in a couple of hours. So I don't want to get all dirty and messed up and, you know, all the things for that. So I'm going to stay clean today, but I did want to show you what I did. Okay, so now I can show you a little better. So as I was saying, this whole area here is all of the furniture. That blue chair got off the curb. The TV and the couch were estate sale finds, as well as these two chairs here. Got a couple of rugs there. I found these two rugs at Walmart on sale for like $10 a piece. This was a couple years ago and I've never even unrolled them because the outside hasn't been done. This table here had glass inserts. Only one was there, but that was off the curb. We got dining room sets here. More dining room chairs. A lot of these chairs were picked up off the curb, and that's the mirror I was referring to. Nothing wrong with that mirror. It's a little ugly because, I mean, I don't really like the light color wood, but it's fine. No problem. It wasn't broken or anything. Got some decor pieces and things, lamps and pictures and stuff like that. And then a Keurig. Got that at an estate sale. And like I was saying, this little desk here, free off the side of the road, it has a couple of desks. The drawers are missing, but I think I can figure something out with that. And this chair, which I thought was really interesting, was also on the side of the road. The seat part it's cracked. There's a crack all the way through, but I like the look of it, and I don't know if I can fix it to be able to raise it up and down or not, but I just thought it was really interesting and really pretty. So I took it. It was off the side of the road, so it was free. So if I can't fix it, I didn't lose anything. Additionally, I have this little side table here, and then all of these decor pieces, and this thing here that I'm just repurposing. This mirror back here was free. These big tall mirrors, there are 3 of those. They came with the house. So this is the whole like furniture, decor, storage section over here that I was able to work through. So that's what I was able to do yesterday. I was able to move all of my things from this side so that I could put all of the furniture and decor and all of that stuff. But now I have to deal with this whole side of the garage, which is my workshop. So this little cabinet back here was on the other side, and I just drug it over to this side. But that's kind of one of my only storage places that I have in this garage. I also have this little small bookshelf back here, and this is where I was keeping all of my paints and paint supplies and things. This is just something carryover from the apartment that we had. It's just like a cheap little particle board bookshelf that you can buy at Walmart or whatever and put it together yourself. So between that little bookshelf and this little cabinet, this came with the house as well. This was already here. That's pretty much the only storage I have for all of this stuff. And I have all this stuff, wood everywhere. My tools are all over. I also have this little shelf. You can't even see it. It's back there somewhere. There's a little plastic shelf on wheels that I'm putting some of my like hand tools, like my circular saw and my reciprocating saw, and those things are on that little shelf. But other than that, I don't really have storage. So what needs to happen, at least what I'm thinking, one major thing that I need that I don't have is wood storage. I don't have any kind of solution to be able to store wood effectively. This little shelf back here obviously was here. This came with the house too. And I can put longer pieces of wood on that. But other than that, everything is just piled up underneath this table, on top of the table, and also over there in that little shelf. I just did that yesterday. This shelf, I believe this shelf also came with the house. So I just stacked up just scrap pieces of wood on here just to kind of get it out of the way and have somewhere to put it, to try to create some level of organization. Got a couple of bigger pieces, longer pieces stacked up here. But you can see how, I don't know, how consuming of the space it is to have all of this different wood, all of these different places. And maybe I'm a hoarder. Good morning. It's 6:42 a.m. I'm making my way around the maze that is the garage to get to the light. Okay, I have decided that it would be more beneficial to try to organize this mess behind me and be able to function to finish the kitchen. So that's what I'm going to try to do today, this morning. The neighborhood is still sleeping.